Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a short wheelbase Volkswagen Transporter panel van. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. You'll also notice to the front, it has dark grey front bumper. It also has two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to ward you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that this van is fitted with 16-inch steel wheels with VW covers. This van is also fitted with black mirrors and black door handles. Also, the mirrors on this van are heated for cold winter mornings. To this side of the van, you will notice a near side sliding door. Looking in the load area, you will notice two front seats. Moving the camera around, you will notice that the load area is clean and free from damage. At the back of the transporter, you will notice a tailgate with window. Across the rear bumper, you will notice rear parking sensors. Moving up, you will notice standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a transporter badge and the VW emblem on the rear tailgate. If you decided you wanted to protect the rear load area from damage, you could ask a member of the sales team for a quote on wood ply lining. Across the floor, here we have the load lashing rings to help secure loads whilst in transit. And lastly, here we have the inner tailgate. This van is painted in Turqoise Blue, which is a special order. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both front doors come with some handy storage, as you can see. Across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you will notice two comfortable seats in double grid cloth. You'll also notice armrests on both seats for added comfort on long journeys. Both front seats are also swivel seats. This now finishes my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some nice key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Here we have the headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, you'll notice media controls. To this side, you'll notice cruise control. This particular van has covered 21 delivery miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. Moving back to the audio settings, you can change radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. You'll also notice an SD card reader, which is here. You'll also notice two USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system also has App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your mobile phone. My personal favourites are Waze and one of my downloaded music apps. If I pop the van into reverse, you will notice a park distance control for your rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving down from the media screen, you will notice the heater controls. This van is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here's the temperature control switch. This van is also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter panel van. It's a short wheelbase. It's also a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 71 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the van. You could also ask the salesperson about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.